Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a VineOh seasonal box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So VineOh seasonal box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, VineOh is a wine and lifestyle seasonal subscription box. So there's only 4 of them per year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you what my code is going to do for you for this particular box because they upped my code, you guys. So this is going to be the O for me box. And if you use my code SheCrafty and you have never signed up for VineOh before, you will get the following. $10 off your very first box, which that's already amazing. And for this box, you're also going to be getting a bonus charcuterie board. Is that how you say it? Charcuterie board set with my code. So SheCrafty is going to get you the charcuterie board is going to get you $10 off your very first box. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what's going to be in here. You always get 5 to 6 lifestyle products with the 2 bottles of wine. So let's go ahead and look and see what is going to be in the O for me box. So I'm so excited to see what's going to be in this box. I love myself some wine, so I love this box because it's the best of both worlds with wine and lifestyle products. And this is a great gift idea either for yourself or for another. Also, when you do sign up, you get to choose the wines. You get to choose from red, white, a mixture of red and white, or sweet. So when you do sign up, you get to choose which wine you prefer. If you're not a huge wine drinker, you could always gift the wine or keep them at your house until you have somebody come over that likes wine and then have it with them, that kind of thing. But I really do like that you get the wine and the goods in here. So on top is going to be the lifestyle products. They package us so well. It's always a nice little tight fit. Okay. So down in here is going to be all of the lifestyle items. And down in here is going to be the wine. This is how it would come with the 2 bottles right here. These are all California wines, and I believe they're all valued about $25 each. So again, nothing came broken. They have the best packaging when it comes to how they package their boxes. So the 2 things of wine is going to be right here. I really enjoy all of the new crush that I have tried. This one is the Pinot Grigio, California, 2019. And this is a California Cabernet, and it says Night Vine, 2018. So here's the 2 different wines I'm going to be drinking on. And now let's go ahead and get into here. Oh, for me. Yes, thank you. All right, so when we open it up, there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. Here is their little brochure, which will go over the products, the information, and I think the very first page now, yes, the very first page will give you all of the pricing for them. So let's go ahead and start with the first thing right on top. Oh, ooh, this is really pretty. It's by Swig. It's a skinny can cooler. I don't really use the small cans, but I guess if I ever get one, I have now a thing to keep it nice and cold. This is really pretty. I like the design on it. Why does this turn? It comes off? Oh, does it come off so you can put your can in and then you put this on? I don't know. But this says triple insulated technology, non-slip silicone base. So right here is nice and silicone, so it's not going to slip. This is valued for $25. And it says cold sips, no sweat. Keep your favorite seltzers cold and your hands condensation free with our skinny can coolers. This cooler holds most 12-ounce slim can beverages, including hard seltzers, beer, energy drinks, sodas, and sparkling water, while keeping it cold for 12 plus hours and hot for 3 plus hours. Uses triple insulation technology, double walled, vacuum sealed, and copper plated. Oh, cool. Dishwasher safe, do not microwave. And it says special offer, visit swiglife.com and shop more of their collection. And you can use promo code SWIGXVineOh for 15% off any cup or accessory. Coolers are not included with that promo code. And that's good until the end of this year, 12/31/2022. So again, that's really, really cute. I don't know if there's going to be different colors sent at random, but this is the image that is on my brochure. So I'm assuming everybody would get this, and with the cherry blossoms, that's super pretty. So there's that. And it even comes with a thing to register your swig container. So there's item number 1. And again, that's valued for $25. With this one, you always get some type of a treat. And this box, we have pepper nuts, bite-sized German spice cookies. Ooh, when it said pepper nuts, I was thinking they're going to be nuts, but then they say it's a cookie. Deeply rooted, widely shared. This right here is valued for $2. It says, need a little spice in your life? Well, look no further. These are tiny flavored spice cookies that are the perfect snack. Pepper nuts have been a tradition in many German families for centuries. Even more, these delightful bite-sized cookies are flavored with ginger, cloves, cinnamon, with all natural ingredients and no artificial preservatives. Oh, yum. It's a 1.4 ounce package. You can visit shop.prairy.com and you can use code VineOh Q322 for 10% off your online purchase. Expires 12/31/22. I'm curious what in the world these are and how they taste. So, ooh, they smell so good. I can definitely smell like the clove and the cinnamon. Ooh, they smell good. Those are so good. Look how tiny. Little tiny little cookies. But they taste phenomenal. You get a little toasty, like it's like kind of like a little toasted. I better put these away before I keep eating them. Those are really, really good. I've never had anything like that. And again, they're valued for $2. Now we have is a damage protective mask. Ooh, is this a hair mask? Let me see. Yes, damage hair mask. This is valued for $25. I really, really like that this is an actual full container of it, so you can use it several times. It's not just like a 1 or a 2 time use hair mask, like a little packet. I really, really like that they put a full size thing in here so you can use it a lot. Apply to clean damp hair. Leave in for 2 to 5 minutes and then rinse out. You can visit beautybrands.com to shop more of this brand's collection. You can use code EC18898 for 20% off this product right here. Joico. So it has to be all Joico products, and you can use that code on beautybrands.com to shop this brand only. I'm really, really excited. I love a good hair mask. I tell you guys all the time, like I love, no, maybe you don't, maybe don't twist it. I love a good hair mask. I was thinking I was going to have to like remove a seal, but it's already opened. I don't really smell, let me see. I have those cookies going on. Ooh, yes, I did put it on the top of my hand just so I can smell it. That does have a really nice scent to it. So I'm really, really excited to try it. And any type of a hair mask, I am all for. So I'm so, so glad that that is in this box and that it's a big product. You can use it several times. I'm really, really impressed with that. So again, valued for $25. Now we have is, what are you? Made of recycled material. Okay, this is a cosmetic bag. This is valued for $20. That is a really, really pretty color. It's like a lavender, rosy kind of color. That is a really pretty color. And then you open it. Here's your zipper. And it's just all open inside, so you can toss all your stuff down inside of it, zip it up, and have your stuff to sit out You can put it in your bathroom. You can have it for travel. You can use this cosmetic bag for anything. And I really like that color. It's really pretty. It says, oh, cute. This herringbone stitched pouch is large in size, so you can fit not only your lipsticks, blushes, pencils, but also your makeup tools, sponges, and brushes. Plus, it features a durable and pretty zipper that is sure to withstand the test of overflowing essentials. You can never have too much makeup. Bonus, it's made out of 100% recycled polyester. It says colors will vary, spot clean, and the dimensions is 8.25 by 4.75 by 3 inches wide. You can visit mytagalongs.com to shop more of their collection and use promo code VineOh25 for 25% off, and it expires 12/31 of 22. So that is really nice. You have a nice large makeup bag to use for anything, or again, anything in here can be gifted. So that's awesome. Next in here, it says life is what happens between coffee and wine, my two favorite beverages. And this is what it looks like. It says always in high heels planner for $30. Always in high heels? I see coffee and wine. But it says always in high heels planner. Oh yay, this 12-month planner will have you super organized and living your best life. Features 62 pages and themed with all things wine. This planner features habit trackers, goal trackers, update month at a glance calendar pages, and note pages. By combining your goals, habits, schedules, and notes all in one place, these yearly planners eliminate clutter while keeping everything at your fingertips to help you be your very best. It's the perfect size to keep on your desk or toss in your bag. Plus, the extra note pages are perfect for meetings, to-do lists, grocery lists, and more. Because after all, life happens between coffee and wine. This measures 8.5 by 5.5, and you can visit Tiffany ASCENSIO designs.com to shop more of their collection and use promo code VineOh for 10% off your online purchase expiring 12/31 of 22. So let's get this opened. Okay, so where it was talking about the extra pages, I guess on the back, it has a little a wine cup on them. So there's all of these in the back that you can doodle whatever you would like. Oh, is the whole thing? Oh, I was saying, is the whole thing that way? Nope. Now we actually have some month. Oh, you can write the month and you can write the day. So you can do your own calendar. So it's not like you have to do, January, February, March. So this can go for several years at a time, depending on how much you use the calendar. And then there's also some other pages here. Here's your goal tracker of the month. You can write everything down, all your wine on the bottom. Habit trackers. And yeah, this wonderful life belongs to, and you write your name. So this is a nice little journal to keep track of all of your stuff in one little handy dandy area. And again, this is valued at $30. I kind of feel that that's a little overpriced for that value because, journals, I get a lot of journals and I get a lot of really nice journals, hardback journals. But for this one, just like on a normal, just to me, I don't think it's valued at $30 for real, but they can value it whatever they would like. I just don't see it being $30 for this style, kind of book. But there's that. So you have that product, and that is everything that came in the box, but they did send me the set of 2 bamboo charcuterie, did I say it right? Cutting boards that you would get. So if you do use my code, this is the set that you would get in your very first box, plus the $10 off. So very first box, you will have one of these free little 2-piece sets that you can use as a charcuterie board or a cutting board. So that is everything for this seasonal boxy. Oh, for me box. Again, what you would have is the 2 bottles of wine. You will have this makeup bag. You will have these German cookies, which are super, super yummy. Oh my gosh, those are so good. I'm really, really excited about this large hair mask. You have a journal book, and then you have a slim can cooler koozie. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything for this seasonal box. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Do you like all the items that they put in here? Have you tried any of these items? Have you seen anything like this? Let me know, because those are amazing. If you want a little bit more information about VineOh, I will let you know right about now. So this one, if you just do season per season, it is $64.99 per season. If you use my code, you get $10 off your very first box, making it only $54.99, and it's all free US shipping. So US shipping is completely free, and if you do sign up, you can change your shipping address per season. So one season, if you want to get the box and spoil yourself, the next season you want to spoil your mom, your sister, your whoever in your life, the friend, a family member, anything like that, you can send it to them, and then you can switch it to another person, back to you, whatever you would like to do, but you can switch your address in between seasons. And I really like that you have that flexibility to where you can ship your box to somebody else as a gift if you would like. You will get the 5 to 6 items inside with the wine. You can choose which wine you would like, if you want the white, the red, the mixtures of red and white, or sweet. Every box is always over $120 worth of value, and it's quarterly, so there's only 4 of them per year. You're not going to be bombarded with them every single month. Nope, only 4 of them per year with the season. So that is everything that I have to show for this particular box. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.